Hi guys, this is Marshall Nelson back again, and today I'm going to be showing all of you how to use Google Draw. So we're going to go to our search bar here, type in Google Draw, and today we'll be looking at a job application just as a demonstration tool. Wait for that to load. Alright, so there's several ways that you can insert things. I just copied the job application, I'll paste it, but you can do images, text box, charts, diagrams, whatever you want. So we'll Control V to paste my job application, make it a bit bigger so that all of you can see. There we go. Alright, so let's go through this a little bit. So first let's start with we're just going to go over to the salary. Let's put a circle around that. So we'll go to the scribble tool and see here $13 an hour. This is a job as a juice bar barista. It's a bit easier with a mouse. I'm using my trackpad, so my skills are not great. It's not too bad of a circle though. Okay, so as you can see, it's pretty easy to just circle whatever you want. Now, let's see. Let's find the job title. We're just going to put an underline over that. Let's see, juice barista. So let's just go over to that. Boom. And actually, let's put a little box around it with our handy line tool. Looks a bit better than my circle. And there. We now have, oh, didn't mean to do that. If you make an accident like I just did, just hit that, undoes it. So, we can see, juice barista, what's the weekly pay? $13 an hour, we have that circled. And yeah, that's how to use Google Draw. Alright, thank you, bye.